Here we go. There's our annual ride to the river.
Yep.
What you got there? You got some hooch?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Keep you warm.
Yeah. Had to get John out of the cabin. The sun was shining, so it's good day to get out and about, eh?
Oh yeah. Good day to ride 72 EIN.
You were hauling ass on that thing.
She goes.
Yeah, I've never seen you go more than like 10. I think you're going about 12 today. River looks pretty frozen too. It's been pretty cold.
Yeah.
Nice. Blue skies and wind. It's a good solar day.
Everything's a mess. Oh, I could stand on that one. Oh, 2 spots I can stand. Whew. There you go. Good job. Nothing?
Here. Here you go in there and I'll hand you stuff. Here, take the camera with you. We weren't prepared. Don't fall on that, please, behind you. Like I said, I don't want you stabbing yourself in the chest and dying on me. Never get you out of here.
I don't know how this all goes.
I just want a pilot right here where I can reach it all.
Okay.
Fine,
I'm sorry.
You could just get down there and start pulling this stuff over by the cabin.
Okay.
That way we'll put the...
Get it out.
I did. It was in like 6 inches of dirt, and all the dirt had moisture and it was iced in, so I had to pry it out with the 2x4. I think I got it.
Good job. Arm bend, careful, careful on the ice, please. And stuff.
Jen's chickadees live over here somewhere. They follow her around. Lots of chickadees like Jen. They know who feeds them. They know who feeds them. That's probably why I like Jen so much too.
Did I feed you?
You caught that, huh? Wait a minute. Maybe that's why I like Jen so much. She always asks me why I love her, and I guess that's going to be one of my new things I say. 'Cause you feed me. I scared them all away laughing like a clown. Oh, I'm so happy winter's almost over.
Thank God.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look like winter's almost over, but at least the sun's shining.
We got a week of 32 and above temperatures.
During the day for like 3 hours probably. That's what you don't. There's like a high of 45 tomorrow, but that's only for like a few hours. You know, it'll actually probably be warm for 2 or 3 days straight because of all that rain. It won't warm up at night, so that's probably better, like you said.
It's not even gonna get down below freezing tonight.
Oh.
It's gonna get down to 33 and then continue to warm up and gonna start raining.
For 48 hours?
Yeah.
That might actually put a little hurting on this. Maybe something will happen here.
And then all the way until Wednesday at 2 p.m., as far as I can see hourly, it is going to be above freezing from now until Wednesday at 2 p.m. That is full 48 hours, young man.
Yeah.
You are wrong.
We'll see. We'll see if I'm wrong. We'll see how much snow disappears the next 48 hours. So
Hopefully a lot.
hopefully a lot, because I'm sick of it. I like the snow. I'm ready for being outside.
Yes.
I don't like sitting in the cabin all day. So anyway. So there we go, guys. Check out my maple boiler, my evaporator. This is real rough because there's a bunch of ice and like there's an ice slick right here. It all came off the barn and filled up this area. So this will hopefully all melt out tomorrow, at least get soft so I could shovel it out of here, right?
Yeah.
And if we had to put like some French drains around here, you know, once the ground's thawed, it just soaks in.
Yeah.
So there it is. I don't know if that's the way it's gonna sit forever, but it, you know, I might turn at 90 degrees. The wind typically comes from back here, like this direction. So it's better to have, I don't know what it's better. I'm just gonna have to put up a couple sheets of metal like I did the last couple years. Again, perfecting things. At least all this stuff is here and ready to go.
Hooray!
And I'm gonna boil all this sap, raging fire, and I will not move that propane tank, guys. I'm gonna leave it there. It's gonna be a huge danger and explode. And this diesel heater full of diesel fuel. That's going to stay there too, so that'll catch on fire too.
Now we're going to burn the whole mini cabin down.
People all got freaked out. People got all freaked out because this little exhaust muffler was pointing at the propane tank and it was like 5 feet away. I was like, it's 5 feet away. I could put my hand like 6 inches in front of that muffler and it's not even hot. So I know people just care, just looking out for us. But anyway, so there we go. There's something accomplished today. Not a lot, but something. Right?
Yeah. Little steps.
Yeah.
Trying to get everything going now for springtime. We got most of our inside stuff down, you know, already this winter. So now it's just kind of.
Yeah, I'm sick of doing indoor stuff.
Yeah.
We didn't even do that much indoor stuff.
We'll bounce back and forth with indoor stuff this spring. Well, we got trim to do. We're doing trim. We're doing trim. I'm making them do it. We're gonna finish stuff.
What trim? I'm not doing any more trim. I'm done.
No.
2026 trim will get done.
No. Then that's the next time that you will get fed. Since you love me so much because of my food, that's the next time you'll get fed.
You do make some good food.
Well, if you want it to continue.
I weighed like 210 pounds when we met.
Uh-huh.
That's because when I'm single, I work out all the time and I never eat. I haven't been single in 15 years, so I have no reason to work out anymore. Or
except to be healthy
or
and
look
stay
good.
alive.
Oh, man. I've enjoyed more of my life than most people get in their entire lives already. So if I croak tomorrow, I did pretty good. I'd be sad that you were alone, but Jenny's got a lot of admirers here on YouTube. She'd find a new guy in like 5 minutes.
I'm gonna push you down a hill.
It's true.
Find a hill.
It's true. I mean, I hope you'd wait like 10 minutes at least to go find a new suitor, but
11.
11. Okay, thanks. All right, guys. I don't know what's going to be in this video. Maybe it'll just be a short 10-minute video for once, but there we go. Now we got some momentum.
I don't think they pooped over here. They just pooped all on the deck.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Good job, sir.
Holy crap, this is heavy.
You need my help?
Holy cannoli. A lot heavier than it looks. It's about perfect head right there. Good job.
Ugh. It's got a little head, but that's okay.
His head's fine. Normal size-ish.
What do you guys think?
Looking good, eh?
Good job. Thanks for building a snowman.
Who does it look like? Who's this look like, guys? Tell us in the comment section below who this looks like. He's even got an off-grid with Jay and Jen hat on. Best wishes, everybody.